The customer is ready for delivery. The truck loaded their shipment weeks ago, drove it across the country, and parked it in storage. Now they've called, and it's time to move them out. Job 25739, Vince Vaughn, same load, storage to Reno. Here's the storage job we created in the last video. On the right, the storage plan. We have a Moveout placeholder on May 8th and a delivery placeholder on May 13th. Both are planning markers, carried over from the original estimate. Neither is a real, bookable operation yet. To actually run the delivery, we need to create one. Click Add, then Delivery. Behind the scenes, the system creates a new operation tied to this storage job, and the customer, and the estimate. 25739-4. Service type, long distance. Operation type, delivery. A new tab appears on the left, Delivery, alongside the original pickup and storage. The delivery operation opens. Notice the From To panel. The same Moveout waypoint from the warehouse in Miami Beach and the final destination in Reno. 2,600 miles, 770 cubic feet of inventory, 56 pieces. This is now a fully separate operation, ready to be staffed and scheduled. Time to assign the crew. Open the timesheet panel. Add a foreman, Apu. Add 2 helpers, Luigi and Seymour. Confirm each one. 3 workers locked in, ready for dispatch. And the last step before the truck rolls, change the workflow status from in storage to en route begin. That single change marks the operation as live, dispatched in motion, on its way to the customer. The system propagates this status everywhere the job appears. Open the operation planner. Set the element filter to delivery, free search, 25739. Apply, and there it is. A green delivery card on May 13th, showing the new operation we just created, with the crew, the addresses, and the status all in one place. Here's a trick worth knowing. For dispatchers managing a warehouse full of stored shipments, in the planner, set element to Moveout and service to storage. That combination shows every storage job that's expected to ship out, but doesn't yet have a real delivery operation created. It's the daily work list for anyone responsible for getting goods out the door on time. And that's the full arc. Estimate, pickup, storage, delivery, 4 operations, 1 job, 1 customer, tracked from the first quote to the moment the truck leaves the warehouse. That's how the system turns a long-distance move into a sequence anyone on the team can follow.